Can you give the committee an idea kung magkano po ang betting sa isang sultada? Just to have an idea of what we are talking about here. How much is the range of the bet per sultada? Magkano po?
Well, hindi po pare-pareho dahil simula umaga mas mahina yan. Nagpipik yan sa hapon, sa gabi, tapos...
Okay. On the average lang po, on the minimum and maximum, Mr. Al.
Well, every day, mga 1 to 2 billion every day.
1 to
1 billion to 2 billion a day.
1 billion to 2 billion a day.
Kumukuha lang kami ng 5% dyan. 2% binibigay namin sa master agent. 1% para...
Teka po, isa-isahin natin dahil ako po hindi sanay dito. Although lumaki po ako sa aming bayan sa Iloilo, marami pong sabong, but I have never been familiar with this. So you're saying, bawat araw, 1 billion hanggang 2 billion ang betting. Tama po ba yan?
Yes, Your Honor.